Hey guys, so today we're gonna do the i-blason Cosmo unboxing for the cover of our Airpods 1. Well, mine is Airpods 1, so I chose this marble color. It has 5 colors. So this one I bought from Amazon around $15. Yes, only $15. $15 for this beautiful case. So it comes with this very interesting box. It's pink and it's cute. Yeah, very cute for me though. I'm not a fan of pink, but this really caught my eye. So it has a box that can show you what kind of pattern or color you're gonna have. And then, so now we're gonna open it. So with this box, it's kind of big, but maybe with the packaging, it's really good for me. The packaging is really hard, so maybe it can protect the case inside. So here we go. So it has some instructions on the tab of the box. So yeah, hey, it's really cute. Look at that. So I have this keychain that looks like it has the same pattern with the case with a rose gold ring on it. And then here you go. This is, well, this looks very cute. This is very light actually. Very, very light. I thought it's really heavy because it looks bulky, but no, actually, surprisingly, it's really light. So as you can see, it has a rose gold on the side. And it's really, really cute. Looking at the picture from where I bought in Amazon, it looks pretty much the same. The quality really looks good. So I'm just gonna place in my Airpods 1. Yes. So look at this one. It's really interesting. Very, very light. So here you go. This is my Airpods 1. I'm just gonna insert it. I let the back side face me and put it inside, and then just attach the other cap. Yes, the cap is really fits. It really fits. See? Look at that. It really fits like a glove. And now I'm gonna attach the ring part. The ring part, it's kind of really hard for this one. Okay. So I'm showing you already the attached one. And here you go. This is our new case for the AirPod. So at the bottom, as you can see, there's a hole for the port of the charger. Now, so that's it. So for me, I really like the case. A very, very cute case. For $15, it's so worth it. So thank you guys for watching the unboxing of the i-blason marble Cosmo case. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys.